So hello everyone, welcome back to the Codersarts. So in previous video we have created the stopwatch activity and we have to implement and execute our application in this video. So let's say we have some problem in this boolean, so we forgot to add the colon here. So once we add, the error will get resolved, and after that we have to plug in our device here. So in my case it is my Google phone, and then we have to click on the play button for execute it. So once you click on the play button, you have to go to the device manager and you can just click here. Okay, so here is basically your things is going to be mirror here. Let's go to the device manager once, and yeah, so here is our executed file. Let's click once more. Yeah, so we have done. So this is our main screen, and once we click on this button we have to move to the another screen which is known as the stopwatch activity. So let's click and let's see if our app is working properly or not. So let's click here. So here you can see the UI. We have a text view of 00, hour and minute and second format. This is the start button that we have created, and this is the stop button for stopping the stopwatch, and then after we have a reset button. So now what we have to do, we have to just click on the start. Okay, so you can see every second that it is incrementing, and once you click on stop, it will get stopped on the 7th second. Okay, and once you click on reset, we are going to reset our things. Okay, so once we click on start, it is going to be executing again. 1 2 3 4, and our timer is getting running. Okay, and after that once we click on the stop, our timer gets stopped, and once we click on the reset, it is getting on a 0. But the main thing that you have to notice that we have using the lifecycle method for executing it on the saved bundle instance. So let's see our app is working on the background or not. So let's say once the user click on the start, okay, it is 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, and just we have to press the back button. Okay, and move to the here. So once we click on the here, you have to start this application. Okay, so let's click on the home button and just open it again. So here you can see our timer is still running here. Okay, like it is 10 second. After some time, when we open it, so we have the 12 second. Okay, after 2 second that we have opened, it is only on the 15 to 16 second, and our timer is going on. So it is why happening it is because we have overridden the function of the on pause and on resume here. Okay, so that's all for this series, and for the next amazing project videos, so you can stay tuned with us. So if you have any other problem or any other application you wanted to create with us, so you can just drop a mail to the contact@codersarts.com. So thank you for being with us.